In attack mode, of course. And thanks to my Jurassic World, my monster gains 300 more attack points. Only 6
Serenity.
Brayden can beat that. That's not
Brayden.
You are private. Archaeanus can attack your life
Hi.
directly.
Hey, Serenity.
Now, debilitate the enemy with Screaming Eagle attack. Now, Archaeanus, do it. Now drop and give me 600 life points, that is. I'll place one card face down and defer to you. Face it, son. It's over. Before long, stick. Wouldn't you agree, Squadron? Huh? You men were supposed to cheer just now.
Sorry. We were moved internally. We'll have an outward display next time, sir.
Yeah, and we'll cheer for you too.
What am I gonna do?
Hey, Major, keep those eyes on the prize. Ready? I bring my elemental hero Wildheart in attack mode.
That's really strange. Why would he play that wild?
Ears.
Whoops. I mean, why would he play that wild heart card again?
Much better. Jay, strategies. This is insubordination.
All right.
Oh, you're mouthy.
This now.
Serenity, you're mouthy. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness.
You're forgetting something. What's that?
I still have Wildheart. Now attack with Wild Slap.
Now you're forgetting something. My field spell card. When my feathered friend is attacked, he has the option of switching to defense mode.
What's the point?
It survives.
This monster's still stronger.
Not exactly, little man.
Why not?
Because mine gets a defense point boost.
I'll throw down 2 face downs and call it a turn. That'll teach me. Oh well, live and learn.
That's weird.
He's smiling.
Jaden always has a good time, unlike the Sarge.
My battalion is deserted. This always happens. I find a troop of soldiers I can trust, and they end up siding with the enemy. No more, Mr. Nice Sarge. Now brace yourself, because I play this Earthquake spell card. Now every face-up monster on the field is forced into defense mode. I'm far from done. Modified Ultra Evolution. This card lets me reverse the whole evolutionary process. So I'll just sacrifice one of my winged beasts to summon a dino. You see, they say that some birds evolved from dinosaurs.
Really?
Yep, and so when our
Are you kicking your sister? Huh?
it becomes a dinosaur. A black Tyranno, to be exact. And surprise! Thanks to my dino's special ability, it can attack you directly. Alright, Black Tyranno, you're on! Now, sick 'em! Mission accomplished. Look at what? How is it you still have life points, boy?
I activated my face down card. Insurance. It takes 1 face down trapper spell card on the field and returns it to my hand. Oh yeah, when insurance returns to my hand, my life points increase by 500.
But it's on the field, not in your hand, son.
That's true, but I've got 2 insurance cards.
Nice one, Jay.
Sergeant Brayden is the best.
Deserted. Again. No, it's nothing new. guess the only person I can trust